you looking for a super quick and easy pattern to knit? I found it. This is ideal. This is the Irish mesh cowl. It's luxurious, it's super easy, and you'll have it knitted in no time at all. Knit for 21 centimetres and you need to cast on 74 stitches, and if you're using the round, add 1 extra stitch so that you don't create a hole in your work. This is the inside or the wrong side of your project. This is the purl side, and the pattern is on the outside. It's just divine to knit with. To start the pattern, it's actually very simple and quite enjoyable. Move your yarn forward and towards you. Slip 1 stitch onto your second needle. Knit 2 stitches. And as you can see, you've just created another stitch. So we knit 2. Then with our slip stitch, we pass that over the 2 knitted stitches. And that completes the pattern. Now continue for the rest of the row. Yarn forward and towards you. Slip 1 stitch onto your second needle. Knit 2 stitches. Pass the slip stitch over the 2 knitted stitches. Row number 2 is purl. Purl all the way to the end.